What if the first real clue that we're not alone didn't come from a message, but a molecule? Not a signal beaming through space. Not a spacecraft landing. Just a strange scent drifting in the clouds of a faraway planet. Welcome to Fact Quest. Global trivia, more than just facts. We share the soul of science. Here, galaxies whisper stories, atoms dance, and discovery feels like poetry. We bring you science facts with heart, where wonder meets wisdom. And every spark of curiosity creates endless possibilities. In April 2025, astronomers from the University of Cambridge shared something that may change the way we look at the universe forever. They were studying a planet called K2-18B, orbiting a small star about 124 light-years away in the constellation of Leo. It's a big planet about 8.6 times the mass of Earth and 2.6 times its size, but more importantly, it lies in the habitable zone, the sweet spot where temperatures could allow for liquid water. Using the powerful eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, they peered into its atmosphere and saw something strange. Two molecules, dimethyl sulfide DMs and dimethyl disulfide DM. On Earth, these chemicals are made almost exclusively by life, specifically by microscopic marine life like phytoplankton. They're the reason the ocean has that salty sea smell. So to find them drifting in a distant planet's skies, that's huge. Now, it's important to be cautious. The detection is currently at a 3 sigma level, which means there's a 0.3% chance it happened by random chance. Science doesn't pop champagne until it reaches 5 sigma, that's less than a 0.0006% chance of error, but still, this is the strongest evidence so far that life might exist beyond our solar system. Even more fascinating, K2-18B fits the profile of a high-scene world, a planet covered in oceans, with a thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Theoretical models had already predicted that if alien life existed on such a planet, sulfur-based gases like DMs might be part of the signature. And now, there they are. The research team didn't rely on just one instrument, either. They cross-checked using multiple systems on the James Webb. First, the NIRISS and INR-SPEC instruments in the near-infrared range, and then the MIRI instrument in the mid-infrared. Different wavelengths, different tools, same strange signal. Professor Niku Madhusudan, who led the research, says it's not time to declare life just yet, but he's cautiously optimistic. And if this signal holds, it's not just data anymore, it's a possibility. A whisper.
Here's a question for you. Which two molecules, considered possible biosignatures, were detected in the atmosphere of K2-18B? A. Ammonia and methane. B. Dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide. C. Oxygen and nitrogen. D. Hydrogen and helium. Got your guess? The answer is B. Dimethyl sulfide and dimethyl disulfide. Both are associated with microbial life on Earth and could be signs of life elsewhere.
This isn't the first interesting signal from K2-18B. Past observations also revealed methane and carbon dioxide, both carbon-based molecules, hinting at potential biological activity. The molecules found on K2-18B exist at concentrations thousands of times higher than we see on Earth. That doesn't necessarily mean there's more life, just that something unusual is happening. Some scientists suggest unknown chemical processes could explain the signal, but others say it's time to seriously consider the possibility of alien microbes. And here's a fun one. If DMs is really present, this alien ocean might actually smell familiar, like Earth's ocean breeze. Imagine that, a scent that drifts across galaxies. Whether it's life or just strange chemistry, K2-18B is speaking to us. And with every new glimpse from telescopes like JWST, the universe feels a little less silent. Maybe one day we'll look back on this moment and say, this is when we began to hear the living cosmos whisper back. Thanks to Science Daily for sharing this groundbreaking article. If this sparked your curiosity, don't forget to follow Fact Quest, Global Trivia. We're here for the dreamers, the seekers, the question askers. The ones who know that science isn't cold, it's alive, it's wonder, lit by stars. Until next time, and stay curious.